About this item: 400 watt power, 400 watt high output 4-channel amplifier, max power at 2 ohms, 100 watts x4, RMS power at 4 ohms, 38 watts x 44-channel class A/B, number of output channels, 4, class A/B circuit design: run cooler and more efficiently with low distortion and high reliability. High/low inputs, high and low level inputs, thermal overload and speakers. Short protection amplifier specifications: impedance, 2 ohm stable, variable bass boost, frequency response, 12 Hz to 22 kHz plus or minus 1 dB, THD, 0.05%. Signal to noise ratio, greater than 95 dB, weight, 3.6 pounds, dimensions, LXWXH 7.75 x 9 x 2 inches, 1-year manufacturer warranty. 8-gauge installation wiring kit, includes 20-foot 8-gauge red power cable, 3-foot 8-gauge black ground cable, and 30-foot speaker wire, 24-inch wire ties, 0.25-inch gold-plated ring terminal, number 10 gold-plated ring terminal, 0.31-inch gold-plated ring terminal, competition high-quality fuse holder, 16-foot 18-gauge blue turn-on wire, 20-foot high-performance RCA.